Friends, every kitchen needs a good hand mixer for making cakes and dough. So to make our lives easier, we will review today the #1 bestseller Philips HR3705/10 hand mixer. Let's start the review. The Philips hand mixer is available in black color. It looks premium and classy. The build is good and the handle gives a firm grip. You get a pair of strip beaters and a pair of dough hooks, all made of stainless steel. There are 5 different speed modes, and in addition you get a turbo button to increase the speed further. The strip beater and dough hooks attach easily with a click. The conical shape beater allows for 20% faster mixing. A clear eject button is given to detach and release the beaters. As a safety measure, the eject button will not work while the mixer is running. The beaters are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The cord length is 1.2 meters and a cord clip is given for organizing the cord after use. The power consumption is 300 watts. The weight of the mixer is 852 grams. The dimensions of the mixer are 18.6 by 8.4 by 15.4 centimeters. There is a 2 years warranty on the Philips hand mixer. A user manual is also given. One precaution to be taken is not to switch off the mixer suddenly, but decrease the speed gradually to 0. Let's see a demo of the Philips hand mixer. I will take some cream and churn butter out of it. There, our freshly made homemade butter is now ready. Let's knead some wheat dough. I'll take some wheat flour and start kneading, all the while adding water slowly now and then. There, our dough is now ready to use. The lightweight and ergonomic design of Philips hand mixer makes mixing comfortable and easy. The Philips hand mixer is useful for making batter of cake, muffin, doughnut, make icing, butter, whipped cream and knead dough. The price of Philips HR3705/10 hand mixer is less than ₹2000. If you are interested in buying this hand mixer, then I will leave a buy link for you in the video description and pinned comment. I can confirm that this video is not sponsored by Philips or any other company. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.